This is a watercolor wheel using two primary colors. I'm going to start with Permanent Rose. Here I have Scarlet Lake. You can also use cadmium red or vermilion. And here I have Lemon Yellow or Aureolin Yellow. And the other yellow is going to be a deep yellow, which in this case is either Indian Yellow or New Gamboge, or Cadmium Yellow Deep. Cadmium Yellow Light looks like Lemon Yellow. Cadmium Yellow Deep will be a deeper orangey yellow. Over here I have Cerulean Blue, and then Ultramarine in the other. Now this gives us two sets of primary colors. And the reason for that is sometimes when you're mixing them together, they don't always give you a true secondary color. So now we're going to take them, and because I've sectioned them off, this yellow-orange color here and this red will give us a nice orange. These two colors will give us a green, and these two will give us a purple. Whereas sometimes if you mix a red and a blue together, you might end up with something that looks more like brown instead of purple. So we're going to create the orange by using the deep yellow and the Scarlet Lake color here. That's going to give us a nice bright orange color, middle toned. And the rose and ultramarine will give us a purple right in there. And in between the lemon yellow and cerulean, we're going to mix the two together to get a shade of green. If you need a little more yellow, you can add a little bit more to it while it's wet. Then we're going to do a yellow-green. These are going to be our tertiary colors. So what we've just done is secondaries. They're mixtures of the two primary colors. So orange, purple, and green are our secondary colors. And now we're going to do tertiary colors, which are just variations of the colors we just did. So there's a yellow-green, and then we'll have a blue-green. So we're just adding a little bit more cerulean than yellow in this one, but the same mixture, just different variations of how much you use of each one. Here we have a yellow-orange, and then we'll do a red-orange, leaving a little space between each color provides a section in between so that they don't run together. And now I've got my red purple. And then my blue purple. So adding a little bit more of the ultramarine to that mixture gives me more of a blue purple. And so we kind of created a rainbow around the color wheel. So remembering that this red and this blue give you your secondary color, and this yellow and this blue give you your secondary color here of green. This red and this yellow together will give you your secondary color of orange. The other colors are called tertiary colors. We have warm colors on this side, cool colors on this side, and opposite to each color is its complementary color. So red's opposite is green, blue's opposite is orange, and yellow's opposite is purple. So the complementary colors have two uses. Putting them side by side in a painting makes both colors look bright. So if you have an orange balloon on a blue sky, both the balloon and the sky will look bright. If you mix them together, they look darker or duller. So if you have red flowers and green leaves and you want to darken your green leaves, you can add a reddish color to the green to darken it up.